This particular building will be here easily for 100 years. And the reason for that is the amount of money we've invested in the envelope. I mean, really, we've targeted trying to have a 100-year building. And when you look at the slate roof, the full brick exterior, the materials we've chosen, this building will really last a long time. We've also done a number of things to make it flexible, so as technology changes and the needs and teaching methodologies change, the classrooms can easily be reconfigured. So this building really will be here for a considerable period of time, well into the 22nd century. The last 5 to 7 years, there's been increasing interest in green and sustainable buildings. Today, practically every owner, and as well as the designers and the constructors, are all extremely interested. So there's really been a sea change in the last few years. One of the things I notice when I take people through the building, without exception, no matter what the group is, they always inquire whether the building is green or sustainable. You know, that interest shows that it's on people's minds, it's a lot more important, and that tends to help drive the overall process.
And then a 6-inch track and stud on the bottom, and then this light fixture right here is going to sit on the back of that soffit. We drop that, it's going to come right off the ceiling.
Having a green or sustainable building has really been important to everything we've done. We started our planning for that more than 2 years ago now. One of our goals for the building is to get a silver level certification from the U.S. Green Building Council. Among the things we've done, started the work on installing a couple underground cisterns. You can see some of the structures that go with that, but those cisterns will actually capture rainwater coming off the roof, and then we'll use that for irrigation. And that's a pretty important component. Additionally, in the surrounding landscaping we'll do around the building, all the landscaping has been selected to be drought tolerant and also native type species. So that also is a big plus. In the building itself, we're doing a number of things. We have occupancy sensors in all the rooms, so if somebody's not there, the lights turn off, we save energy. One of the other things we've done historically in buildings, folks will be working in a building, they just won't feel good, they won't know why, but they're very sensitive to trace elements because historically carpets and a lot of furniture did outgassing with formaldehyde. And so we've spent a lot of time selecting our furniture and carpets and other materials in the building. And so there's just a whole range of things we've done that way to make sure that the building is not only environmentally sustainable, but is also a healthy place to work. We've tried to buy materials regionally, so to cut down on the use of petroleum products, moving materials around. We've tried to source from local vendors and producers where we can. For instance, the slate in our roof comes from a quarry between Richmond and Charlottesville. So that's just one example of some of the things we've tried to do that way. It's been going real well. We've made good progress, and right now we're well on track for our 1 June 2009 substantial completion. And by August of next year, we'll be in the building and classes will be started. Practically every member of the design and construction team has got tremendous interest in green and sustainable buildings, and it goes far beyond cost. You know, certainly in a building like this, the first cost of the building, the construction cost, is significant. But when you look at the life cycle cost of a building, it's the operation and maintenance cost and the salaries of the people that are going to work here that are really the preponderant part of the overall cost of this building over its lifetime. And so if you can build a building that is less expensive to operate or is basically healthier and people are more productive, that provides tremendous economic benefits. Our site itself is outstanding. I mean, really will become the western gateway to the William & Mary campus. We certainly have a wonderful location right on Jamestown Road. But looking beyond that, I mean, we've got some great facilities in the building that will help support the exciting programs the business school has. We also have a continuing corporate education classroom and center. It's just a tremendous generator and an important thing for businesses throughout the area. We're building a place where dreams can come true because people will come here to go to school. It's an important step to becoming what they want to be. The faculty and staff, particularly the faculty and the research and the things they want to achieve. So this goes beyond you know, just being bricks and mortar.